Hey, what's going on, guys? So, in this video, I will show you how to unlink Instagram from Facebook. So, this is going to be easy, so let's jump right in. So, first, let's go ahead and open up Facebook because we're going to unlink Instagram from Facebook. Now, let's open Facebook. Now, tap on the settings icon. And here, you need to scroll down and tap on apps and websites. So here, this is going to show you a list of the apps and websites that is connected with your Facebook account. Now, all you have to do is find Instagram and just click the remove button. Now, let's say, for example, actually, I have a bunch of apps and websites connected to my Facebook account, so it's going to take a while to find Instagram. But let's say, for example, this is Instagram. Now, all you have to do is just tap on the remove button from here. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.